Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and today's a cool little video. First of all, I am under the boardwalk, but the reason why I'm here is because, as you may know, the North Wildwood Boardwalk reconstruction project is going on, and today I got word that all of the boards on top are officially done. Meaning, like, in the phases of projects in this whole thing, the top layer, the decking, is complete. They have to do the railings, they have to finish the ramps, they have to finish the lighting and a couple other things, but the decking's done. And so I figured today, even though it was a very foggy day, luckily the sun's coming out, I'd put the seagull in the sky so that you can see how the new boards look. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Plus, we're trying to buy a new drone. So if you sign up for the Patreon, you're helping us to get closer to that. I can actually hear banging at Maury's Piers because today's the first day. I mean, I'm not wearing a jacket, so you can tell spring is definitely coming. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Before we actually start, I don't know if you don't know this, as of today, actually last weekend, at the time of the recording this video, Sam's Pizza is officially open. The door's not open because it's still a little chilly out, but Sam's is open, which is awesome. But we're here because of this. The boardwalk! You may notice something very different than the last time we were over here. They actually closed off this section. You were able to walk down this way to get over to Gateway 26. And well, the reason for that was because they were redoing this section here, and now this section, as of yesterday, because they were here finishing up, this whole section is done. This was like a giant hole. They had started going this way first so that they can guarantee Gateway 26 a spot that would be open for them so they can have guests, because they're open year round, if you know that. They're Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And so now that this section has been completed, you can now go that way to Gateway 26, and this section is back closed off. But man, it looks really, really neat. We probably only have a few weeks left until it is going to be 100% complete.
Thomas, please call 100 when you can. Thomas, 100 when you can.
But I know it's super hard to see everything from this angle, which is why I do have the seagull. You know, the good thing is that the fog did finally lift. It comes in waves. Every once in a while, they go get really foggy, then not. Also, side note, Maury's is like actively working hard. I don't know if you can see the equipment. There's forklifts on the beach. They're moving things on the pier. They're rebuilding all of the rides to get them together so they can pass the inspections by the state, which they have to do every single spring. Usually that's in late March, early April, depending on what the season's like. Anyway, so I have the seagull with me. So let's put the seagull in the sky so you can get a bird's point of view of what the new boards look like. It looks fantastic. Now, is it the same wood? I know you guys have been asking me this the entire time. Is it the Kamaru? I can never actually pronounce this wood correctly. And it is. It looks very similar to it. It looks like it from the material I've seen before that it is. It's going in the same direction as the rest of the boardwalk. So what happens now? There's a few things that need to happen. One is they have to finish all the ramps. The one leading onto the beach is not done. I'll show you that in a little bit as we walk over there. And there's 2 other ramps near the bathrooms that they still need to complete. So the project is not done yet. There's also still no railings. There's no lights. There's a lot of things still that need to be done. But man, are they moving quick. Now, the grand question I know you're probably asking is, did that past snowstorm do anything to really hinder this? Not really. By the time that really big snowstorm came through, they had the majority of this stuff done, and then they just shoved off what they needed to shove off and then finished. It really is kind of crazy how quick they're able to do this. And remember, this one was different than the Wildwood side. The Wildwood side, they had to repair the concrete. Here, they ripped out everything, put new pilings, new decking, new everything. And so, different project. And because of the way that it is, I think concrete, you needed the temperature to be a certain thing. You don't have to worry about that with this. So anyway, let me show you the other ramps now. Back onto the boardwalk to show you that on this side where Gateway 26 is, it's kind of hard to see, but they're still building up the new steps. And more than likely, this metal bar will continue all the way over to those steps. Someone asked me if there's going to be a ramp. I do not believe so. That is just only going to be steps. The good news is that you've got a ramp right next to Sam's. And of course, you've got that ramp and steps I was just on over there. But the other thing I wanted to show you is all the way that way towards the bathrooms. The last time that I showed you these bathrooms, they were just putting in the footings and some of the supports to put in these 2 ramps because they redid both of them. But by now, one of them I believe is fully complete, and then the other one needs a little more work. On a side note, the Sam's Pizza smells amazing. Oh, I'm filming this on a Friday during Lent. And so I'm like, maybe you should bring home some Sam's for dinner. You know what I mean? Anyway, we turn the corner. And so the one ramp on the right is definitely not done just yet. This one, you can see they started the decking. I'm not really quite sure where those other supports are. But you can kind of see how this is. That is interesting. I wonder if those supports are going to be permanent. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. Right, that is different. I don't know what that is. But you could see that the ramp is half done. Move over this way. Check out this ramp here. Oh, they're not done on this one. Okay. It almost seems like they're using this wood piece as a guide to cut it. Because where that wood piece is where the edge is, where they have to go almost straight down to cut it, right? I don't know, that's really interesting. So this one isn't done yet. But look at that, man. Look at that. And then outside of that, it's railings and it's other things that I just need to put on. But yeah, that is that. I'm excited. Like, this is the first time I feel like spring is actually like coming. And after this past winter, I kind of feel like you and I have been begging for a good spring, and today's the first day. Like, no winter jacket. This is great. We'll probably have another snow thing, or maybe we might get cold one more week, but right now I'm enjoying this. I want to thank you guys for joining me though. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you on the beach. I'll see you later. Bye.